Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Edgewater, a vibrant community nestled along the waterfront in Portmore. Known for its picturesque views and friendly atmosphere, Edgewater offers a mix of residential and recreational spaces. Residents enjoy a close-knit community with convenient access to amenities, parks, and waterfront activities. The area boasts a blend of modern infrastructure and natural beauty, making it an appealing place for families and individuals seeking a balanced lifestyle. This 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom house offers the perfect blend of luxury and tranquility with its stunning lakeside location, ideal for boat enthusiasts, featuring 2 kitchens and separate entrances. This residence provides convenience and versatility. The land area is approximately 4,356 square feet and is about 5 minutes from the Portmore Mall. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $311.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.